me grab a pen. We're not okay with you recording us.
Why is that?
There are some reasons that I don't want to go into with you.
Well, I don't have a very good memory. I'm 76 years old, and it takes me a while to write things down and to remember everything. I'm running out of RAM. You know what RAM is?
Okay, well, that being said, we're not okay with you recording us. This is a private
So
meeting.
are you ordering me to turn this over?
Yes.
Turn it off?
Mhm. All right, Detective McCoy, would you go ahead and begin?
Okay, sir. So obviously, you contacted our office through Lieutenant Cannon on his email. He has in turn gave me the investigation to look into, and I don't want to use investigation, but he asked me to look into it. Contact you like I have. We communicated by email, by phone several times. I've given you several options and indications of what you can do. I've agreed with you on a certain sense on the civil side, but I've told you numerous times that you don't have a criminal case. I've given you suggestions on what to look for to bring up a criminal case, which you have failed to provide to me. You know, I know you stress concern of Judge Mack. I've given you avenues of what you can do with that. So I don't know if you've contacted the Texas Rangers. I don't know if you've contacted the Public Integrity Union. But unfortunately at this time, you know, I presented your information to the DA's office twice now. And twice they're in agreement with me that there is no criminal investigation here. It's, if anything, it is civil. And unfortunately, there's no criminal case for you in Montgomery County in regards to Point of Aquarius.
And I wanted to call you down here and just make sure you understood that the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office does not and is not going to investigate this matter any further, and the District Attorney's Office is not going to investigate this matter any further. And the reason for that is, even on the face of your complaint, there is no criminal matter at issue. At best, you are complaining about the certain fees that are assessed against you and how the board is...
Oh, it goes well beyond that. Now most recently, I wrote to the DA's office.
Yeah,
and they assigned...
I'm aware of those communications, and before you go into that, the civil matter that you would or arguably could have had has actually been disposed of in court, as you are no doubt aware.
Right.
You filed a petition, a small claims petition, which you were unsuccessful in, and then you appealed that up to...
Right, I know everything that I did.
Number two, and part of the factual basis for the court's determination and in rendering final judgment against you are the factual recitations in the first amended answer and original counterclaim. So a court of competent jurisdiction has actually found against you in a civil matter related to the complaints that you're making.
Right.
So frankly, I don't understand how you could even begin to think that you have any kind of meritorious action in this.
Well, in the letter that I wrote to the DA, which he referred to Aaron Smith,
So Aaron Smith is my investigator, and I'm familiar with the letter, and I've read
yeah,
the
so
letter.
I talked about the law. So if that's not the right law, it's not the right law?
It's,
It's not a crime?
What you described is not a crime.
Well, I'm here to tell you how the crime is committed, so that you don't have to do an investigation.
I've reviewed your factual recitations, and they don't describe a crime.
You haven't reviewed all of my factual recitations. Those were prior to the time that I was
Yes, I have.
adjudged.
Yes, I have. So I'm
Okay, so you're telling me
that
there's no crime?
I'm telling you, there's not a crime even on the face of your factual allegations.
Okay, I'm wasting my time here. Thank you very much.
So what I want you to know is there is no pending investigation.
Okay, I hear you. I heard that in the notes you wrote
You
to
go
me.
and assert to someone, to a third party, that this is
I fully understand. I fully
that could potentially
understand.
be defamatory.
I know.
Okay.
But there's no problem with me mentioning the fact that I came to this office and my claim was, my complaint was denied. Is that correct?
That's not correct.
That's not defamatory.
You were informed that you did not have a case.
Okay, that's good. I'll use that. Thank you very much.